Hello guys, welcome to my channel, knowledge applied. Here guys, I'm going to show you how to apply for Funza Lushaka 2026 bursary. So guys, you know, in this channel I have create a previous video about the Funza Lushaka, but I also want to again to show you another video. So guys, you just go to your Google Chrome and then just type a Funza Lushaka bursary 2026, and then okay guys, let's click enter. You click enter, and then guys, here as you can check, the first one is AI overview. You will just scroll down. This one is for first time applicant, but the best option is to go to the second, it's the same website, but go here, the Funza Lushaka bursary, and then you click, and then here as you can check, we are on the Funza Lushaka and then website. And then guys, application for the Funza Lushaka bursary for 2025 will open on, and then here on 1 October is going to change, and then they will write 2026, and then this one is going to 2026 is going to open on 1 October 2025, and the new application, the closing date will be 26 January 2026, and then reapplication will be 30 November 2025. So guys, when you are here, you will just come and click on the eservices.gov.za, and then you click. Let's wait guys, and then I will also paste the full link for full information, everything that you need to know about the Funza Lushaka 2026 bursary. And then when you are here at the e-service, you will click on education. Here, education, you click on education. Let's wait, and then again you will click on education. You double click on education, and then here you will come here and click on Funza Lushaka. You will come on and click on Funza Lushaka, and then here guys, you will log in. If you already have a register, you will come and enter your email address and password, and then you log in. If it's for the first time, you don't have any account with the eservice.gov.za website, you will come and click here on register. You click on register, and then you will come and register. Then you will first click I consent that I have read the terms and condition. I consent that I have read the privacy policy, and then you check the box here, and then you check the box, and then you click continue, and then you first write your first name, surname, second name, ID, third name if you have third name, and then if you are using passport, you will write passport here, and then you click next. This is how you register, and then after registration, you will then apply. As you can check the steps here, step 1, personal details, contact details, and then address details, password details, and then verification. Then when you complete these 5 steps, you will go to the application. If you already have you already have registered, it means that you just click your user email address and password, and then you go to the application process. So guys, this is how you apply for Funza Lushaka 2026 bursary. And then guys, the bursary will open on 1 October 2025. Just prepare For more information, I will leave the link in the description. Also, for application link, I will leave the link on the description. So guys, let's go and apply. Let's check everything and apply. I wish you all the best. Good luck, guys.